Chapter 1. Listen before you speak. Hey there. Let's talk about something super simple but really powerful, listening. Before you try to speak English, just listen. Yeah, that's right. Don't rush to talk. First, let your ears do the work. Imagine this, you're sitting in a cafe. People around you are chatting in English. You don't get everything, but you catch a few words. Coffee, nice weather, thanks. Boom! That's learning already. Listening helps your brain pick up sounds, rhythm, and tone. You start to feel how real English sounds, not from a textbook, but from real life. You hear how people say, "What's up?" or "I'm good." That's how you build your ear for English. Here's the trick, listen every day. Music, short videos, podcasts, anything you like. Even 5 minutes helps. At first, you might feel lost, but don't quit. Your brain is quietly collecting new sounds. Try this. Pick one short clip in English today. Listen once. Then listen again and repeat out loud. Copy the sound, copy the emotion, copy everything. You might laugh at yourself. Good. That means you're learning. The more you listen, the easier speaking becomes. It's like how babies learn. They listen first, talk later. So just keep your ears open and your mind relaxed. One day, without even thinking, you'll start speaking naturally. And trust me, it'll sound so good. Chapter 2. The Fear of Starting. Hey, let's be honest, starting something new can feel scary, right? You want to learn English, but maybe your mind says, what if I sound silly? Or what if someone laughs at me? Guess what? You are not alone. Everyone feels that way at the beginning. Here's the truth, every English speaker, even native ones, makes mistakes. They forget words. They mix up grammar. Sometimes they say something weird and laugh about it later. So if you make mistakes, good. That means you are learning and trying. Think about it, when a baby learns to walk, they fall again and again. Do they stop? No way. They just get up and try one more time. You can do the same with English. Fall, get up, repeat. You might feel shy when speaking in front of others. Maybe your pronunciation sounds strange or your words come out slowly. That is totally okay. No one starts perfectly. Even the best English speakers were beginners once, just like you. Here is a little secret. Confidence comes after you start, not before. So do not wait to feel ready. You will never feel ready until you begin. Say something small. Hi, how are you? Nice to meet you. Those small steps will make you braver every day. When you speak, smile. When you make a mistake, laugh. When you learn a new word, celebrate it. The fear will not stay forever. Day by day, your confidence will grow. One day, you will look back and think, wow, I was so scared to start. But look at me now. Chapter 3. Build a daily habit. Hey you, yes you. Let's talk about something super important, your daily habit. Learning English is not about sitting for hours with a big book. It is about doing small, simple things every single day. You do not need to study all night. You just need to stay consistent. Think about it, if you listen to one short English podcast today, you learn a few new words. If you read a small story tomorrow, you see how those words are used. If you watch a short video the next day, you hear the real pronunciation. Bit by bit, all these tiny actions start to add up. Do not wait for a perfect time. There is no perfect time. Start now. 10 minutes a day is enough to make a big change. Even on busy days, you can listen while walking, cooking, or traveling. Your brain learns faster when you mix English with daily life. You might not see results right away, but do not worry. It is like watering a plant. You cannot see it grow every day. But one day you notice green leaves everywhere. That is how your English grows too. Here is a small tip: make English your friend. Talk to yourself in English. Change your phone settings to English. Write your thoughts in a small English diary. Soon, English will become part of your routine, just like brushing your teeth. So, promise yourself this. You will do one small thing in English every single day. Because small steps taken daily turn into big success. Keep going, you are already building something amazing. Chapter 4: Believe You Can. Hey there, let us talk about something powerful: belief. When you believe in yourself, everything starts to change. If you keep saying, "I cannot speak English," your brain listens to you. It believes what you say. Then it quietly gives up. But if you say, "I am learning," "I can do this," your brain wakes up. It becomes ready to help you. Your words have power. What you tell yourself every day shapes your future. So stop saying you are bad at English. Start saying you are getting better every single day. Yes, you will make mistakes. Yes, sometimes you will forget words or feel stuck. But that does not mean you are failing, it means you are learning. No one learns a language overnight. Every person who speaks English today once felt just like you. Unsure, shy, maybe even scared. You have already started. You are reading, learning, and growing. That is proof that you can do this. Here is a small exercise for you. Every morning, look in the mirror and say, "I am learning English. I am getting better." Say it with a smile, even if you do not fully believe it yet. One day you will. Confidence is not something you find, it is something you build. And every word you speak in English builds a little more of it. So believe in yourself. Trust your effort. Because when you truly believe you can, you already win half the battle. The rest will follow naturally. Word by word, step by step, with you leading the way. Chapter 5: The Journey Begins. Hey, look at you, you have come this far already. That means you are serious about learning. And that is something to feel proud of. So today, let us take the first real step together. You do not need to do anything big or scary. Just start small. Maybe you learn 3 new words today: hope, dream, try. Maybe you speak one short sentence like, "I am learning English." Or maybe you just listen to how people speak and repeat it softly to yourself. Every small action matters more than you think. Many people believe learning English is like climbing a huge mountain, but it is not. It is a journey, a slow and beautiful one. You do not have to reach the top in one day. You just need to keep walking. Some days you will move fast. Some days you might feel stuck. And that is okay. No journey is perfect, and no learner is perfect either. What matters is that you do not stop. Try to make English a part of your daily life. When you cook, think in English. "This smells good." When you walk outside, describe what you see. "The sky is blue." When you hear a song in English, listen to the words. This is how you live the language instead of just studying it. You might not notice your progress right away, but you are growing. Every time you listen, read, or speak, your brain is building new connections. You are getting better quietly, step by step. So here you are, standing at the start of your English journey. Take that first step today, no matter how small it feels. Smile, breathe, and keep moving forward. Because this is not just about learning English. It is about discovering what you can do when you truly believe in yourself. You are already doing amazing. Now let the journey begin.